greeting you, ladies and gentlemen. You are watching Daily Market Review with me, Slava Ismailova. So today we are going to start with intraday Euro-US dollar. More lateral consolidation between 1.3085 and 1.3218 is expected. The upper half of the range will be challenged, and last week's reaction high at 1.3235 is still within striking distance. However, an upside foray above 1.3235 would attract significant resistance at 1.325 and 1.3288, limiting upside scope. A push below 1.3085 would put euro bears in control, exposing the week's low at 1.3026 and threatening a sharp setback to 1.2931 and 1.2909. Weekly chart Euro-US dollar trend is bullish. The next currency pair for today is US dollar Japanese yen. Keeping the week's low at 76.93 intact, prompts a corrective recovery that targets the 76.35-76.42 resistance area. However, a push above 76.42 is not expected at this stage. Keeping 76.35-76.42 intact would prompt renewed US dollar bear pressure on the 76.03 low, threatening a downtrend extension towards the October 31st all-time low at 75.31. Weekly chart US dollar Japanese yen trend is bearish. The next currency pair is Great Britain pound US dollar. The corrective setback of the week's high at 1.2883 is expected to forge a base above 1.57. Great Britain pound bulls will be gathered at 1.57 to prompt a renewed return to the 1.5883 high, threatening an uptrend extension that targets the 1.6 level. Only a sustained break below 1.57 would undermine the overall Great Britain pound bullish outlook, exposing 1.5643 and 1.56. Weekly chart Great Britain pound US dollar trend is bullish. Intraday US dollar Swiss franc. Monday's marginal low at 0.9112 remains vulnerable to renewed US dollar bear pressure. Thursday's inside day consolidates Wednesday's bearish outside day, and Wednesday's high at 0.2925 is destined to become a lower high. A push below 0.9112 would prompt a downtrend extension towards 0.9066 and the 0.9 level. Resistance at 0.9207 protects the 0.925 high, and only above 0.925 would lift the tone. Weekly chart US dollar Swiss franc trend is bearish. And the last currency pair for today is Australian dollar US dollar. This pair corrects low of Thursday's 1.0759 high, and limited downside risk exists to 1.0515. However, 1.0515 is the maximum downside target, and consolidation is expected to forge a base above 1.059. Area-dominant Australian dollar bulls will then look to establish the underlying uptrend again, and a push above 1.0759 would release upside scope to the 1.1 area, and a resistance cluster lies protecting the July 2011 post-float high at 1.1083. Weekly chart Australian dollar US dollar trend is bullish. You have watched Daily Market Review from Grand Capital. My name is Slava Ismailova. See further details on our site grandcapital.net. I'm wishing you a good trade and see you later.